everyone, it's Jen from Worth the Wait. We're located at 3157 Virginia Beach Boulevard in Virginia Beach. Open Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So we haven't done an unboxing for a while. We just got in a new line of handbags, Katie Loxton. It's actually a line that we've carried before, but just in the jewelry. And they make some fabulous bags and some other gift ideas. So I thought y'all could be the first ones to watch us unbox. So I'm gonna start with this box. We've got two big boxes. And this one, I kind of cheated, I already opened a few. This one I love. This is white vegan leather with the bamboo handles. It's got a ton of room on the inside. And I love this bag. I think this is going to be the perfect spring summer bag. I just love those bamboo handles. It reminds me of Gucci. So that one I love. It's so gorgeous. And we did get, I believe, twos in these. So we do have, I believe, two white. And then we also got it in this, this really pretty gray color. Again, it's got the fun bamboo handles. I'm not going to totally unwrap everything, but at least to kind of give you a picture. So we do have it in that gray also with the bamboo handles. I think that's really cool. I'll come back to that one. Looks like we have some few clutches. Oh, these are cute. These will be perfect for, these are kind of like a, it looks like almost like cork, and then it's got like a silver metallic threading through it with the silver metallic trim. These are cute. These could be perfect for stuffing in, you know, putting in the bag, where you could put like lipstick or receipts or whatever you want. So those are cute. So we've got two of those. But you love those. And then we have the coordinating beach tote. If you didn't want to use it for your everyday bag, you could use it for this beach tote, which I love. Again, it's got the silver metallic. This could be an everyday bag, or you could, you know, use it to go to the beach. So that's cool. And we've got two colors in that. And then I'm gonna open these smaller ones. So these I really loved. I saw these at Market, and I just thought it was such a great idea. These are candles, and they have special messages on the outside of the box. So happy birthday. And this scent is pomegranate and sweet apple scented candles. And they're actually a really good price point. I don't have the exact price point right now, but I do remember they were really good. So perfect gift giving idea. And then we also got some really cute anklets. So this will be perfect for summer. We got silver and gold with a little moon. And then this one has the feathers. And then these are just beaded. So these are really fun. Little coin. So these will be fun for to wear with sandals for the beach or just every day. All right, let's see what's in here. I think I'm opening this upside down, so I sure did. So these are more of the candles. This is another happy birthday. And then we also have a thank you. So this would be a great thank you gift for someone. Little candle. And then, let's see, a little love. So that would be perfect for Valentine's Day. If you wanted to rush in here, we'll have them priced so that you could give them for Valentine's Day. So we've got all of those. We've got multiples of those. Let's head over here. Let's see what's in here. These are definitely going to be more handbags. Please excuse all the shredding. Kind of dump that over there. See, I didn't cheat on this one, so this is truly like seeing it for the first time too. Oh, this is really cute. So this is navy, and it's got the gold metal hardware. and right here, so you can carry it like that, or it comes with a crossbody strap, so then you can carry it kind of draped over and then have these hang down. So two different ways, but it's that bucket bag that's really popular right now. So we do have that in the navy. And then we also got this in the white, which we're seeing a lot more in accessories in white, you know, with the white shoes, white pumps, white handbags. So, and of course white goes with everything. So you could wear it like this, or again, with the crossbody. And there's plenty of room in there too, for just, you know, not a ton of stuff, but to just, you know, if you prefer a smaller purse and don't want it to weigh down, cute little summer bag. And then, let's see, this might be our second white one with the bamboo handles. It is. So most of these we do have two colors in. So we do have that. I just love that bag. I might be going home with me, so then we'll only have one. Let's see, I think this might be, yeah, that's another white one of the bucket. And then I believe this might be another navy. Yes, that's a navy of the bucket. Let's see what this is. Oh, I love this blush color. This is so pretty. So I love this. This can be your, and then it's got like a little fringe right here. This is the perfect kind of slip it underneath your arm. It's not too heavy. It still has a little bit of the detail with the whip stitching and the tassel, and it's got plenty of room on the inside. And it's also got that Katie Loxton gold, gold medallion on the inside and on the outside. So that's really fun. I love that color. This might be another one. Oh, this is, yeah, this is another gray. So we do have the gray with the bamboo handle. And then again, the blush. And then, let's see what else. Oh, this is great. This is kind of like a camera bag. It's got the chain. It's a crossbody, and this is in navy. So you can wear it as a crossbody. Great little, put everything in it. And then we've got two of those. And that's, I believe, it. Yeah, then we've just got some promo stuff. Oh wait, no, that might not be it. Let's see what this is. This might just be bags though. Yep, those are just bags. So, so that is really the nice thing when you do buy a Katie Loxton product. We do have these fabulous bags that we can package your items in. So it kind of gives it a little bit of extra special gift wrapping for you. So thank you so much for watching our unboxing of Katie Loxton bags, and give us a call if you see anything you like in the video, or just come on by. All right, thanks. Have a great week.